Hey, my name is Sam, aka Mr. Two Pairs Minimum, and let's take a quick look at the Marathon SPZL by Adidas in collaboration with English musician Noel Gallagher in the night navy colorway. These were released on Saturday the 16th of August 2025 for the retail price of £110 here in the UK. It comes in a blue and white three-stripe box with Noel Gallagher's image at the back of the box. The shoes come in white and gold Adidas Trifo branded paper with an extra set of cream white laces and brown leather SPZL hang tags. But we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. For over a decade now, Noel Gallagher has been locked in with Adidas SPZL since his first release of the NG72 in 2011, followed by the ultra-limited NG Gawain SPZL in 2017. Now he returns with a fresh take on the Marathon 85 silhouette, featuring a deep navy suede upper with sky blue leather hits. Noel Gallagher's Adidas SPZL co-branding can be seen on the insoles with his iconic portrait on the tongue. This model takes a nod to heritage with a contemporary twist, like adding a T-toe overlay, updating the midsole, and upgrading it to an eco-text tongue. On feet I recommend staying true to size. The Marathon SPZL tends to fit a little snug, but not tight, and it looks really clean on feet. As usual, purchase links with my YouTube video description. Thanks for watching. Please drop a like and comment Wonderwall to show me you enjoyed this video. Now let's discuss, did you pick these up? Personally, these are not really my style, but I just wanted to get these in for you guys for a quick unboxing. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Apart from that, have a good day.